Moving.
Shit, it's
Yeah,
gonna get
so
up.
maybe you can come to green. There's a wall.
Maybe.
You've got gas moving in.
Oh, my game just fucking crashed. Are you kidding me?
Seriously?
Yeah. Fucking stupid.
Enemy UAV overhead.
Circle's closing right now. We got 20 seconds. Oh, there's people running up. Ian, hear that? They're in our house.
We gotta go.
I'm gonna take some mask. Yep.
On me.
Less than 5 remain standing.
Fuck,
Gas is
I'm
moving
down.
in. You safe zone located. Throwing stun. Check fire. Check fire.
Oh, you might be able to get me, dude.
You're losing ground.
Oh, you can get me? Oh, never mind. I'm dead. I'm dead. Just go. Just go.
Last chance. Kill or be killed.
No.
It's you. It's a 1v1.
Is it?
Oh, you. Yeah.
Get the win, dude.
Gas is moving in. New safe zone located. You've got gas moving in.
He's gonna have to move. He's below you. He's for sure below you. Watch out, he's behind you. You hear that? Yep, right there. Nice, dude.
Did you get the win?
Well done.
Oh,
Nice
yeah.
fucking job.
Boom.
Nice job, man.
Nice fucking job, man.
That's a good one. That was a good one. Wish you could have fucking seen it. I see him.
Contact.
Downed him.
Wow.
I think it's just him in there. I think his buddies are.
Oh no, I see another one. See one. Found one.
Taking fire.
Oh my.
Dominated.
What?
Nice
Wow.
job. Oh shit! Taking shots.
I'm here.
Let's go this way. Oh fuck, dude. I'm gonna die. Oh no, I'm
Get
not.
to the new safe zone.
Wait. They're turned to our right.
How? How the
Victory
fuck?
rests on your shoulders. Finish the mission.
Dude, I lit that guy up with the growl.
10 remaining. Keep it up.
Hey, you got a gas mask.
He's up there. He's up there.
Nice. There's still one more. I saw him just run back the other way. Is it moving yet? Oh, fuck.
Over here.
Shit. You're gonna have to go.
Yeah.
Gas is moving.
What do you bought? Oh, God.
Under fire here.
No.
Bro,
Nice
I missed
job,
every
dude.
shot.
Armor.
And
That was awesome.
Fuck. No way. No way, dude.
Damn. Oh. Oh my God. And
You are 1 of 5 remaining.
second place, pretty good.
Damn it,
With
dude.
just
The
two of
enemy took
us?
that one. We'll be back to
Kills
finish
did you
the
get
job.
that game? 7 kills?
Really?
Yeah.
Damn. Sick.
Bounty target identified. Slot the bastard.
Wait, I need a gun, dude.
Yeah, ditto. Up, right here
Yeah, I think I
somewhere.
heard steps.
Got
Another
that
one.
guy.
Another one to the left at that door. This door.
Moving.
Oh, he went out, I think.
Jesus. Just took all my armor. Let me get that.
Oh, here. Where is he?
Right outside.
Where?
Where the fuck is the guy we downed?
Let's go.
You're losing ground.
He's right next to you, dude. You're literally standing. Oh, that's Kevin.
Kill confirmed. Bounty complete.
Well done.
Yeah, I just punched him in the face. Oh,
Gotta go soon.
dude, this most wanted's right here.
Most wanted
Oh,
target
yeah.
neutralized. Well
Nice job.
done.
Let's go to that buy station now that we have all this money.
Not down here.
I see movement.
Oh, you're getting shot by somebody else.
Go to your right.
Oh shit, I got no ammo.
Nice, Ian.
C4 him.
Yeah.
You got AR.
I marked him. I marked.
AR. Big time.
Setting charge.
Oh, that guy ran. Who was shooting you?
Roof. Roof to
You got AR. Precision airstrike coming in. AR.
Oh my god, if that works.
Get away.
AR. Yeah, thank you.
Is this roof?
Coming up on us. Two of them.
Damn, Ian's putting on a clinic right now.
Shit.
Behind you.
Shit, all over. Coming inside.
Oh my god.
Get behind you.
Close that door.
Oh, they're both resin themselves.
I've got you.
They're coming.
Coming in.
You're the last one
Watch
in the
out.
team.
Two of
Finish the
them.
job.
Nice run. Look it.
Res.
Chasing you.
Oh my god, dude. That was amazing.
Dude.
Wow.
How do you only have $4,600? You killed all those people. There you go. That was insane.
That was tight.
You can res us.
Okay.
You should definitely clip that, dude.
Yeah, that was amazing.
You've got gas moving in. You've got a loadout drop inbound.
Oh, there's a recon on the other side. Look. See that recon? Right here, guys. Green.
Mark out. Moving.
Yeah.
Oh shit, I just got shot. You can see him.
Where?
To the south. Not exactly sure where. Like where Kyle's heading.
That's.
I just fucked some guy up.
That was probably the guy who was shooting me.
Fuck.
I'm shot.
I broke my round one.
How do you get up there safely? You're running.
Can I get some extra armor, Ian? Oh shit, I just got
Why
sniped.
can I not use my fucking plates, dude?
I don't know, but can you go
Yeah.
pick me
Hold
up?
on.
Allied cluster strike.
I just called in a
got
cluster strike on him.
I got dead silence.
They're coming in.
Gas is
They're right here.
closing in to the new safe zone.
Shit, another team.
Oh, he just dropped a goddamn.
Self-reviving, Phil, if you can touch.
Yep. Yep.
Careful, it's behind us. That behind.
Oh, someone just fucking parachuted on me. Are you shitting me?
Nothing over here.
I think they
Your teammate
dropped.
was sent to the gulag. They'll
Yep.
fight for a chance to redeploy.
They're in that little house.
Yeah, then the little hut.
Oh, I downed one with my airstrike.
Your teammate got a proper sorting. We're sending them home.
I'm pushing.
I got a bunch of good strikes on him.
Enemy team is tracking your position.
Down another.
Stunned. Downed one.
Oh, dude, he's in there. Oh, fuck. He's
Hold on, Kyle. Hold on, Kyle.
I'm dead. He
Your
killed me.
teammate was sent to the gulag.
Oh, just
They'll
buy
fight
him.
for a chance to redeploy.
These guys have everything. I'll buy them.
By me too.
We book it? The team wipe?
Your teammate
Yeah.
got a proper sorting. We're sending them home.
Guy popped like a fucking.
You've got
Fairy.
gas moving in.
Shit. Yeah, I don't have any money.
Watch, just get
There's
the
a
fuck out of
satchel
here.
back there.
Get the fuck out of here.
Oh, there's a satchel up in the stairs I want.
I think I died right there. I'm gonna go grab my shit.
Mark out, I'm going.
Yep. I even get a piece of armor from my dead body.
Up on the
Where?
hill from the west.
Can you mark? You might be able to cluster them.
Somewhere up there.
Oh, I see it.
Oh.
Oh, yeah.
Allied cluster.
Hey, Phil.
Yep.
What?
Good copy. Back in.
I was just trying to airstrike him.
okay. Get up.
No hits on that run.
Armor box right here, Phil.
Oh, I need that. Thank you.
Better come quick because they disappear pretty fast.
Dude, I can't believe that guy survived. I don't know how.
Okay, let's.
Dude, we got hot threat.
Yeah. We gotta get out of this room. This is a death trap.
Says, where's the people that are? Oh, I see one up the hill. Yep.
Nice.
Oh my god.
Wow.
Oh, wow, dude. Yeah,
I got it, Phil. I got it, Phil.
What do you mean?
Guy's got
Oh,
a shot.
stop, dude. Oh, I didn't know. I thought you were self-reviving. They're pushing.
Yeah, they're running up on us.
Fuck! Behind!
Damn sniper, man. Someone finish me off here.
Someone cover me?
There's nobody left. Fuck, dude.
Enemy UAV overhead.
Can you finish me
Where
off?
are these fucking
Hey.
people? Oh. Sorry,
Come
man.
on, dude. I can't believe that guy's not dead.
Take it.
You guys okay over there?
No.
Nope.
I'm trying to just like move to. These guys don't know.
He's pushing. He's pushing from the northeast.
How the? I can't even see these people, man.
You're okay. You're okay.
Coming in.
Gas is moving in.
Broke armor.
I'm not the enemy, you bastard.
So a
Need
guy
armor.
with a riot shield over here.
Is that like what
On
just
me?
happened?
I don't know.
Riot shield on me.
Where are you? Oh, this guy?
Nice.
Is that all of them?
Yeah, I think so. I got a team wipe.
Okay.
What the fuck was that, dude?
I don't know. I need armor.
Yeah, I got a couple plates I could drop you.
Thank you.
Jesus Christ.
Oh, I'm actually okay now.
Oh, taking
I
shots
don't know
from.
if those were oh yeah, they were.
Yeah, because I just got fucking
What's your assist?
zipped. It's not on that caution. I think it's more like 250.
Found one.
Damn it, dude. Struggling.
I'm shot.
Hold on. Oh, he thinks he can run up?
Come get your.
Hold on.
You're a
And
freak. $12,000.
Is this guy still around here, you think?
I thought I heard. It might have just been you.
Oh,
Friendly
I heard
loadout
glass.
drop on the
Yeah.
way.
Yep, I put a couple shots on. Fuck, I have no ammo. They're the second floor, dude. They probably hopped back in and just got fucking
It's all
killed.
up to you
Jesus
now. Go
Christ.
for the win.
Are you fucking
Gas is
kidding
moving
me?
in. Safe zone located.
My turn.
got him. Tag him. Bog him. Alright. Where?
Not. Oh,
Loadout drop headed your way.
Okay.
peek. Sneaky snake. Yeah, boy. Was that a wipe?
Mm-hmm.
Remember, guys, just be careful.
Safety first, then teamwork.
You see somebody on that roof?
Oh, cross.
Oh, team, 2. They're going to the buy station
doors
right
open here.
now. Get him.
Oh, you're on somebody?
Slinging a
Goodbye,
stunner. Planting explosion.
What?
Me inside the van.
3 in there?
Get out of there.
And a fucking 4th inside the building. First.
Enemy UAV overhead. Enemy contact.
Oh wow, dude.
Get in contact.
It's nothing. Come on.
They're pushing.
Armor broken.
Found one.
Target's marked.
Enemy cluster
Cleared hot.
strike
Shit, I
incoming.
just cluster strike back.
2-0. Good copy. Cluster strike away.
Look at this, our cluster strikes passing in the night. Oh, I downed one.
You got gas coming in. You gotta push. Or move.
Joey, you gotta
Oh shit. Yes.
They're coughing. Oh, is that Joey?
Yeah.
Suck it in, soldier.
Got gas inbound.
fire.
Safe zone relocated. Time's up. Objective failed.
Dope. What do we do?
Oh, there's 2 up on hill. 2 right here.
Enemy spotted.
Oh,
Careful, Joey.
get shot.
Oh, shit.
Get shot.
Rounds incoming.
They got us covered from west behind
Suck it in,
us.
soldier.
I got lit the fuck up.
Yeah, I did too.
Got it. On my way. Time's up. Objective failed.
Found one.
Yeah, move for the gas. I'm out of plates.
Gas is moving in.
So where's in,
Feel
dude?
pretty fucking exposed. Right
Yeah,
here.
like none of this is good. So that bunker,
This wall.
Oscar
This
Mike.
wall.
that
You
wall,
wanna fight
but
towards that wall?
Let's go.
We gotta go now.
Gas is moving.
Someone shooting from somewhere.
Gotta just clear behind us. I'm pushing out.
Got somebody up here
Enemy movement.
in this building.
Enemy UAV overhead.
Fuck.
Oh, getting shot.
On the side of the plane.
Hostiles in the area.
Oh,
Oh, that's somebody else.
I'm inside the tent where me and Kevin got airstriked.
Gas is inbound. Marking new safe zone.
6 teams, play it cool, guys.
Friendly UAV overhead.
That's team wipe on that guy.
Rounds incoming.
Check your map.
Armor I need.
Somebody right here.
Heading this way.
Oh, he's gonna satchel.
Only 10 are
Team
left.
wipe.
I shouldn't have done that.
3 teams, 3 teams.
You've got gas moving in.
Full
These guys are on the other
armor.
side of the pylon. These guys on the other side of the pylons.
One right here.
Target right here.
They're gonna have to wait. Just wait. They're gonna have to push to us.
Rounds.
Oh my god.
Let's go. Let's go. 2 teams. 4.
Downed 1. Down 2.
Both right here. 2, both of them are right here.
Down
Pushing.
3.
Stella.
Broke armor.
Long shot. Got one.
Push him, it's one guy.
He's down.
Effing hell.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Fucking go.
Stand a chance. Good work.
Boom.
Boom.
I fucking was just frantically missing sniper shots at the end of that game. Like, please, please. Good shit.
Dude, I fucked them up at the end there.
Yeah. 1,
They were trying to hide. Yeah. They were trying to hide behind the pylons, and I was just blowing their feet off, dude.
Boom.
Let's go.
Nice job, guys.
Good shit.
Yeah.
Damn, that's fucking tight.
Hell yes. Hell yes. It's Nudie Magazine Day. Kevin, dope. Thanks.
Alright.